Hello, Cancer. My name is Kay. Welcome to the Lotus Stars 777 Tarot Reading. Today I'm going to do a general reading for you, Cancer. So let's begin. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angels, and Ancestors. What information can you share with us today for Cancer's tarot reading? First card out, the Sun. Second card, the Eight of Swords. Third card out, the Ace of Pentacles. Next card out, the Eight of Wands. The Five of Pentacles. The Nine of Wands. The Emperor. And the Star card. And the bottom of the deck, the Knight of Swords. Cancer, with the Sun card, there's going to be success for you. Success lies ahead as long as you keep to the path. There's going to be glory, there's going to be gains, satisfaction, positivity. You are going to have strength and you are going to be filled with vitality. With the Five of Pentacles, life is hard right now. Look around, help is at hand. So you have felt insecure, you have had poverty, loss of money or position. Life has been cruel to you. There was lack of resources, but with the Sun card, it tells me that everything is improving. There won't be any more darkness. You are going to come up on top, and from poverty, now you will have abundance of success in money, in love, in relationships, in career choices. So hang in there, Cancer. Things are getting better for you soon. The Eight of Swords. You have fears, doubts. You are overthinking. You feel a sense of hopelessness and you're trapped in your own thoughts. But whatever you're thinking, it is the problem. It's just in your mind. Quiet the noise in your thoughts and you will find solutions to overcoming those problems. With the Nine of Wands, you need to believe in yourself, Cancer. You need to have the courage to continue. With belief and positivity, you can overcome those negative thoughts that's trapping you and making you feel that everything is not going to work out for you. So have the courage, have the persistence and strength, and great success will follow you. You will also have an improvement in health with the Ace of Pentacles. There's going to be prosperity in money. The Pentacles. There'll be prosperity, opportunity, manifestation, a new venture. So whatever you planted seeds of hope for, it's going to bear fruit for you. Your hard work has not been for nothing. You will reap the rewards that you seek. So I see financial gains coming for you. And this could be through an emperor that is entering your life. This person is the divine masculine. He has structure, he has control, he's powerful, he's rich. He could be an entrepreneur, he could own his own business. He is going to come into your life and help you find direction in your life. He's also going to help you achieve your goals. So look out for this emperor that's going to help you become successful in achieving your goals in money and career. He could be a new love interest in your life, or he or she could be a past love that's coming back into your life. With the Eight of Wands, there's going to be rapid communication or rapid movement. It's coming at full speed. You're not going to see it coming. So there's going to be change, and you need to be prepared for it. You will have to make a decision, because with the Star card, your wishes are coming true. There's going to be opportunities, a renewal in taking a chance once again, because you have faith in the universe. You are healing, and there's a sense of hope now for you, where in the past you felt there was no hope, that everything was falling apart. So you are going to get unexpected help from this emperor. He is moving towards you very quickly. He could be communicating with you. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the Knight of Swords. It could be a new person that's entering your life, or it could be still this emperor who is strong, energetic, he's fearless, he's ambitious, he's competitive, he's logical, he's very skilled and brave and clever. He's ready to take on the world and come into your life and change it for the better. So this is all I have for you, Cancer. I hope you enjoyed this tarot reading. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next reading. Bye.